Hello girls! Today we're going to learn our vocabulary words from the book Frida Kahlo. We are going to learn 3 words: skinny, special, and sick. So let's start with the first one. Everybody repeat after me. Skinny. Very good. Now I want you to think, what is the meaning of skinny? What do you think skinny means? You can look at the picture and try to figure out what is the meaning of skinny. Okay. Skinny was used in our book when it says, "The illness made her leg as skinny as a rake." Look at Frida's leg. It was skinny. Okay? And here in this book, that is a dictionary, I have the meaning of the word skinny. Here it says that skinny is something or someone that is very, very thin. So skinny is very, very thin, like this, thin. The opposite of skinny is very, very fat and big, okay? So let's continue. Now I am going to show you some pictures of things, and if they are skinny, you're going to say skinny and make this mimic, okay? And if they are not skinny, you're going to stay in silence. Let's start. Needles. Very good. Needles are skinny. Perfect. Let's see the next one. Ball. Very good. A ball is very, very fat, so it's not skinny. You have to stay in silence. Perfect. Now we have an elephant. Do we have to say skinny here? No, very good, because the elephants are very big and fat. And the last one is a pencil. Very good, the pencil is skinny. Perfect. Now I want you to say all together skinny. 1, 2, 3. Skinny. Very good. Now that we learned all of our words, we are going to play with this roulette. You can see that here we have all the words that we learned today. We have sick, skinny, and special. You are going to press this button and the roulette is going to start spinning. And when it stops, you have to see which image appears here. Where is the arrow? Okay? And for example, if the image that appears is sick, you have to do the mimic. For example, sick, you're going to do like this. I'm not feeling very good. Okay? So who wants to start? Okay, remember to press the button with your finger on your screen. Let's start. Okay, what word is that? Yes, very good. That is skinny. And how are you going to make the mimic? Yes, very good. You're going to like this. Something very, very skinny. Perfect. Now, look, we have the same words, but now the image that appears here, you have to recognize which word is it and say it. Say the word. If this girl appears, you're going to say sick. If this appears, you're going to say skinny. If this appears, you're going to say special. So let's start. What is that? Who wants to say the word? Okay, do it. Very good. That is the word special. And let's play one more time. This is more difficult because now the word that appears here, you're going to use it in a sentence. For example, if the word special appears here, you're going to say a sentence like, for example, my cat is very special because he loves dogs, for example. Or my mother is special because she loves me a lot. So, who wants to play? Okay, you do it. Press the button. What is this word? Do you remember the meaning? Yes, it's sick. Okay, you can say I feel sick, but why? Ah, you have a stomachache. Okay, I feel sick because I have a stomachache. That's perfect. You use the word in a sentence. That's it, girl. We are ready with our class. Goodbye.